Good day everyone. So now I will present of our final product presentation, which is Saba Chichi Crunch. Product introduction. Product name is Saba Chichi Crunch. Then tagline slogan: delicious Saba creamy cheese, crispy crunch in every bite. Then the problem we solved is there are many snacks available in the market today, but of most them is not do not use local ingredients like Saba bananas. Existing snacks often lack the combinations of natural fruits flavor, rich cheese taste, and satisfying crunch, and that customers look for. Some snacks also contain high amount of artificial ingredients and are not every healthy. So many people are looking for safer and better tasting alternatives. In our solutions is we understand that consumers want snacks that are not only tasty but also healthy and make from local resource. Saba Cheesy Crunch addresses this by using local growth Saba bananas and creating a product that is free from harmful substance. The combination of Saba and cheese provide a great taste that satisfying people's cravings while also giving them energy from the fruit. Next is innovation and creativity. Originality of concept. Our idea is unique because we combine the local Saba bananas with the popular taste of cheese in a way that has not been done before. Unlike another existing snack, Saba Cheesy Crunch uses fresh and natural ingredients and offers a one-of-a-kind flavor combination that makes a stand out from other products. The creative preparation process gives in a unique crispy texture that everyone will enjoy. The problem solution is we understand that consumers want snacks that are not only tasty but also healthy and made from local resources. Saba Chichi Crunch address this by using locally grown Saba bananas and creating a product that's free from harmful substance. The combination of Saba and cheese provide a great taste and satisfies people cravings while also giving energy from the fruit. Then the value proposition is customers get snacks that tasty, fresh, and made from local ingredients. It is better than other snacks because it has natural flavors, provide nutrients, and it's affordable but high in quality. It is perfect for daily meals, schools work, or as a snacks to enjoy during breaks. And next is feasibility and sustainability. Technical feasibility. All the materials needed are easily available in the area. Fresh Saba banana, cheese, cooking oil, sugar, and etc. The production process is the simple: preparing the Saba, slicing and mixing with cheese, frying, and cooking. The complex equipment of advanced technology is required. The main challenges we may face are maintaining product quality and proper storage to prevent spoilage, but this can be solved through correct storage methods and packaging. Then sustainability considerations, we choose ingredients that are easy to grow and have little impact to the environment. We use the materials that can be reused or decomposed to reduce waste. Using local Saba bananas also help support local farmers in our community. Our production process does not use chemicals that harm nature, and we make sure our packaging is eco-friendly as much as possible. Then, prototype product demo. Our prototype is a small batch of Saba Cheesy Crunch made to test texture and quality. From tasting and feedback, we received positive comment from people who tried it. They said it tastes great, has a perfect crunch, and the flavor combination is just right. Current limitation include improved packaging design and developing new flavor based on suggestions from testers. Is business viability. Market analysis. Our target customers include students, workers, family, and everyone looking for tasty and healthy snacks. The market in our area is large because many people enjoy snacks, and Saba bananas are a common and flavor fruit here. Based on our survey, many people are willing to try new product made from local ingredients with unique flavor. The financial projections. Selling price is 50 per pack and total cost of ingredients 250. Go-to-market strategy. To each customers, we will sell the product in school market, local stores, and also promote it through social media platform like Facebook and TikTok. Our launch plan is start selling small quantities within the first week. Then second is offer free samples so people can test and try the product. Then third is use photo and video to show the quality and taste of Saba Cheesy Crunch. Halal and ethical integration. Halal ethical compliance. All ingredients used are halal and safe. Saba bananas are natural and halal. The cheese comes from halal resource. And other ingredients contains no prohibit or harmful substance. We have identified the will apply for official halal certifications to ensure everyone that the product meets under standards and it's safe for consumption. Production and supply chain. Our ingredients come from reliable suppliers in our area. Production takes place in a clean and hygienic environment to ensure good product quality. We follow all halal standard and good practice at every steps of production. We also make sure that workers are treated fairly and work in good conditions. And next is IP and legal awareness. Intellectual property strategy. Saba Cheesy Crunch will be protect through trademark registration to ensure that our product name and design are not copies by others. We have already conduct research to confirm that no similar product or brand exists under the same concept. Regulatory compliance. We need the following documents and certifications. Certificate from the Department of Trade and Industry or DTI. Next is healthy and sanitation certificate. The next is halal certificate. Then business license. Our plan is to apply for these documents while we start production and sales. to make sure our business operations is legally and properly. Next is future opportunities and scalability. Growth and scalability plan. Within 1 year, we will expand sales to more locations, develop new flavor, and improve packaging design. And within 3 years, we will become a recognized snack brand, expand sales to more cities, and introduce more product made from local ingredients. And within 5 years, we will become a well-known brand not only in our areas but also in other regions and create job opportunities for people in our community. Then innovation pipeline. Future versions or the product will include new flavors such as chocolate extra cheese or combinations with other fruits. We will continue to listen to feedback from customers to improve the taste and quality of Saba Cheesy Crunch. Growth roadmap. 1 year, launch based stable market presence, maintain quality standards. Then 3 years, growth based expand market, reach, develop new products, improve packaging. Then 5 years, scale space, expand to wider regions, build larger production facilities, create more employment opportunities. And that's all. Thank you for listening and thank you.